Imagine yourself in this Kia 2021 Telluride EX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 291 horsepower, 3.8L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 3.8L V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.